Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. So today's a Thursday and we are actually going to a wedding. Harley Dagger.
We're very late.
Okay.
We're very late. Very late.
We are late and I'm with Melinda and Adrizi and our makeup artist, makeup by Ame. Yeah. So this one just got her face done.
Ame Salas.
Ame Salas on Instagram and do you have a Facebook account? And Facebook. Ma?
Ame does makeup on Facebook.
On Facebook, it's Ame Does Makeup. So yeah, we're going to a wedding. So I just thought I should start the vlog now. I'll show you guys our outfits later. So bye.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well. Don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I
Hello. Hi, I think you should take a right turn. Right. Yes,
Hi guys, welcome to our vlog. It's your fave. No, today I'm Adriana, guys, because, well, I'm with your fave, and your fave, and your fave. One thing about Coco, guys. Imagine. Anyway, so where are we? We are in Rakohamolaut.
Yes.
A friend is getting married. A friend is getting married, so yeah, we are those girls, guys. Have you ever seen me like this? No,
Of course not. Who's that? Who are you?
that's like Adriana showing me. I'm Adriana today, guys. I don't know how to do this, so yeah, I don't know how to do this. So let your fave take over, because I just wanted you guys to appreciate. Thanks, makeup by Ame. Guys, I'm so flawless.
I feel like I should just, blink all the time. Like, hi. So we are heading to the venue. Go Bojana, like it. Bojana Waterfront. That's where the celebration is going to be. You managed to do the protocols stuff. Makeup is still intact. Eyelashes are still popping. What?
Yeah.
Drive away.
I didn't sign up for this, guys.
You did. Down the streets, I see me. I see me travel with this pretty I walk by and go and say hello. On my way, I pass by seeing me sitting on the chair. I tend to say
I begin to
Hi guys. Oh, I want to help. Hi, I'm on here. So today is a Saturday again. Today is a Saturday. I last vlogged on Thursday at the wedding. So yeah, today we're just at my friend's house chilling. Yeah, we're just chilling honestly, nothing hectic. Yeah, I think it's just literally like the five of us. Yeah. Come on, Taylor. Guys, we found only one ice cream in the fridge. Oh my God.
Never mind my nails, guys. It'll be fixed.
There's the camera. Hi. How are you? There's the camera. Oh. Yeah.
Hi guys. So this ice cream is bomb. It is bomb. Like woo.
Golden hour. Wait, how about Bonangal? So my friend is making pasta. This looks like a lot. Kuku yangu natata masika. Jesus. Oh, but. Hey. Kuku but. Hi guys, today is a Sunday. Today's a Sunday. We literally just left church right now. I'm with a monthly. Say hi.
Hi guys.
She actually has a YouTube channel, guys, so please subscribe to her channel. I'll write her name down somewhere and leave a link in the description box so that you guys can subscribe. I broke a nail. Anyway, what was I gonna say? Yeah, so I got home very late last night from the girls session thing. It was really nice. It was really nice. A different setting and everything. So yeah. Hi guys, so today is Tuesday and yeah, I literally remembered earlier on as I was editing that I forgot to shoot an outro. But yeah, we had some errands to run. I was with Adrizi and Kuklo, so yeah. I just literally remember that I didn't record an outro, and I just thought, why not just include a little bit of today, which is like the lunch that we had. And yeah, so I just wanted to close the vlog right now and just tell you guys that I'm really happy we have reached 300 subscribers. And you guys, thank you so much to each and every one of you guys. Like, I really like, I don't even think you guys understand, but I really appreciate it. Like, guys, I love you all. Thank you so much for the support. Thank you for subscribing and liking all my videos. Thank you so much for commenting. Like, oh my god, you guys, thank you very much. And I will see you guys in my next video. I think it's gonna be another vlog, then I'm gonna post like a sit down video. But yeah, thank you so much to you guys. I really appreciate you guys. I have to undo my hair, so please, I apologize. It's the last time you see me like this, okay? Okay, thank you so much, you guys. My lips are cracking, by the way, but we move, okay?